Andrew, tell us about yourself and what your role is at FANUC.
Okay, Paul. Hi, my name's Andrew Myhill, and I'm responsible for the FA sales in FANUC Europe. And FA for us is factory automation, which basically is CNC products and servos.
What we can see behind us here is everything about a machine, isn't it? The control, the servos, the drives. Is this how it all goes together?
Yes, yeah. We've got all. This is focusing on all of our products here. Our high-end CNC, a 30IB Plus with the new high-speed CPU card to give enhanced performance. And we have here the servo package here, and we're demonstrating our servo tuning facility functions here.
How much of an advantage is it for you to be in control of all of these products for the complete machine? They're all yours.
Yeah. We design and manufacture. All the products are designed and manufactured in Japan, so we offer the complete package. So yeah, it's a big advantage for us to give the best solution possible to the machine tool builders and end users.
What about the digital twin? This is a big focus, isn't it, for you here at EMO?
Yeah, what we have here is our FA gallery here, and we show the FANUC digital twin concept. So on the right-hand side, as we walk up here, we go from the products, the tools that we have for the machine tool builders to actually design the machine. So our FANUC picture software, PMC ladder, then we show the machine simulation, and we can show also automation of the machine using our CNC guide and RoboGuide software solutions through to the final product here. And then we show the servo tuning, and then also at the end here we've got the high performance machining functions that give the end users of the machines the added advantage of having a machine control with FANUC CNC.
So you're designing, you're making, with all the associated parts, and then you're sort of optimising with strategies to get the best off of the machine, aren't you?
Correct, yeah. And we've also got additional tools on the other side of the gallery here. So we've got a tool path optimizer, which is a new tool we have. So it's a software to take the CAD data and improve the actual tool path to give us the optimum part. And then we have the CNC guide, so we can basically do a virtual twin of the machine, which we have over there. And then we can check the servo data. We can run the part program without cutting any metal, collect the data from our servos and estimate the surface finish and optimize the program and the setting data to give us the best surface finish before we actually cut a component.
Before you've even cut any metal?
Before we cut any metal, yeah.
I mean, it's not as if FANUC machines aren't fast enough anyway, is it? Without the addition of all of these enhancements?
Yeah, but we just, of course, we supply the product, but the optimization is very important by the machine tool builder and then obviously to the end user to give that final high quality component that they're looking for.
I just want, in one sentence, if you can, summarise what digital twin means to someone that doesn't know. I know we've discussed it, but what would be the best way to describe it?
So I guess the best way is from start to finish, from machine design to producing the component, everything is performed without actually cutting any metal. So you can do everything offline, without tying up the machine. So basically you can design the machine, optimize tune the machine, and then get the part program generated to produce the best component before you're actually cutting any metal.